Hi everyone, in this video we will learn why it's so important to advertise mobile-friendly websites and what tools are available for us to check their performance. Preview from the video. It might sound unbelievable, but I have spoken with many business owners and they had no idea whether their website was mobile-friendly or not. With every tenth of a second your website is faster, you are making extra money. So this video will introduce you to some free SEO tools that can definitely help you to understand your website's performance. So first of all, in the Google Ads Hub there is a good article called Optimize Your Website for Mobile. So just in a nutshell, a website is mobile friendly when it has a different layout on a mobile device than on a computer, for example. The reason why it's so important for Google, you can see it here, is because mobile friendly sites show up higher in search results. Mobile searches make up more than half of searches on google.com, and it's also important that if your site isn't mobile friendly, visitors are 5 times more likely to leave it. So here is the first tool called Mobile Friendly Test. It's from Google and this site can tell you whether your web page is mobile friendly or not. I will link the URL below this video into the description and you can reach it easily. So let's begin with the test. Basically you just need to copy paste your URL here into this search box and then start the test. I have created a website for this purpose. So I will just copy here and once I click here, this URL, the test will begin. Here it goes. It could take a few seconds and there is a result page. So here you can see that this page that I used is mobile friendly. It says with green. But for example, if I use a not mobile friendly page, here everything would be with red saying page is not mobile friendly, so you would see it. Apart from this, here are extra details about page loading issues, mostly for developers, that you can show them. And also just below here you can reach your search console and also other articles that can help you to understand the topic better. And basically that's it about this tool. This is pretty easy to use and very simple, but can tell you exactly what you need. And now let's see another Google product which is called Test My Site. With this tool we can do a few more things after pasting our URL to the search box. For example, we can compare our website to our competitors' websites. Let's see how it goes. So here you click on skip to your results in the bottom right corner and your mobile page speed is 3.9 seconds on a 4G connection. So it's quite slow according to the rating, and it says like slow page starts to load in over 2.5 seconds. Let's see what else we can do here. Here we can check subpage by subpage how fast our website is. Could be quite useful. Get a report. Here you can enter your email address and it will send your email address the whole report. Explore other tools. This is interesting. Benchmark industry leaders. So let's say we are Nike.com. Also we can check some competitors like Adidas. And let's say Puma.com. And here we go, we can see that Nike.com is the fastest with 2.6 seconds, quite a useful tool. And here let's check the impact of our speed, our website speed. Let's say our website was like 4 seconds and we have only quite a few, an average monthly visitors, let's say 500, with a quite low conversion rate. Is only 1%, which means like there is one purchase of 100 visitors and average order value, let's say $5. So it means like if you reduce the loading time from 4 seconds to 2 seconds, we're gonna save $21 per month, which is not too much, but let's be honest, usually it's not 500 visitors per month. Let's give 1,500, which already increased it to $64. Conversion rate let's just double it, so 2%, which means there is a purchase out of every 50 visitors. And let's say that our products are more expensive and give $20, which means, like in this case, we already made $500. It's not that bad actually, because if you think about it, it's $6,000 yearly by reducing the website loading time. So this is quite a useful tool. So that was all for now. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to Helpship, because in the next videos we will talk about conversion tracking and other awesome free tools like the tag assistant and the viewability in action tools. Good clicks to everyone.